Guys, has 2020 felt like a roller coaster? Has it sort of felt like Jumanji, where everything's coming at you at once, okay? That's sort of the way I felt in 2020, where everything was hitting me at once. I kept getting hit, I kept getting hit. And so what I want to say today, guys, is there's a way that we can change that kind of headspace, okay? Change that mindset of just getting beaten down constantly, getting beaten down in every aspect of life, okay? But what happened in 2020 isn't gonna happen in 2021, okay? You have the opportunity for next year to change the way you lived your life in 2020, okay? There's a way that a lot of people lost money. There's ways that a lot of people lost their jobs. There's ways that a lot of people lost a lot of things in 2020, but 2021 can be the year that you gain all of that back, okay? Now, I'm super excited, guys, because I've made the decision to change my life and I want to do it alongside with you. So what my company has done is we created a free training that's right down below. The link right down below is a free training learning how to sell things online, and Amazon specifically, okay? Amazon specifically has blown up in 2020, okay? It has shot up in the amount of sales and the amount of money the company is worth. The amount of money that Jeff Bezos, his evaluation has just shot up in 2020, okay? And so if you're able to get some of those breadcrumbs, if you're able to eat some of that little bit of juice that Jeff Bezos is leaving behind, okay? If you can get that, why not try? Get that motivation by watching that video below and learning that you can do this as well as I love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Go check it out.